In today's hectic society, we are not able to sleep or concentrate well, and it is easy to feel overwhelmed. Meditation can be the key to solving these problems, but it is hard to learn in the traditional way. What if there was a better and easier way to learn meditation and improve your quality of life? This is MINDNAP, your portable meditation assistant. MINDNAP is composed of hardware and an app. It guides your breaths through vibration to help you enter a deeper meditative state of relaxation. During the whole process, it detects your biosignals. Afterward, it translates them into a visualized evaluation of your meditation performance on the app, so you will get a better understanding of the depth of your meditation. MINDNAP comes with a wide range of built-in breathing modes from which to choose. You can have your brain and mood boosted quickly with effective meditation wherever you want. Anytime, anywhere. It brings out the best in you, both in work and life. Based on your previous training record, MINDNAP matches you with the most suitable training plan. As your training accumulates, you will be surprised at how much your life has upgraded and how well you can cope with stress and anxiety in everyday life. You can make today a new beginning, and MINDNAP is here to help you on your new journey. MINDNAP, your portable meditation assistant.